Kedekma salni pore haino hai Facebook live tini kisa kogrok share khain hani faikya tai of Facebook live ni bising tei ani 4 about 5 ta points hai tongo discuss khlaijak nai bono tino discuss khainen bagi tini ang ma faikya haisi puila point henke thanai few days se kangnor nukhana Tripura government job judi recruitment buskani salo ungnani thangai tongo around 552 posts nukha aron bising 310 post 310 ta post ngangkai Tripura engineering service nobo naharjaknai through TPSC ni bising tei as per the report jesum nukmani aro tamo sajakka tabuk je kuno Tripura rajyo jodi government job nibage apply khainani hinkai there is no mandatory of any PRTC permanent residence of Tripura certificate nangya nije sajakmani o kokno tiyang sanani bage tini norok jotobani ma krengkha apart from this the BC election asuk kuduk mas hal romoi pending ngi tongo bono tui tripartite accord no tui kabangma borok ano sunghoro kok duk ni bising tui message kai sunghoro bono tui bo sanani bagai tai Tripura sa je Tripura ni jingjal romdi abo Nandanagar ni issues romdi abo unemployment issues romdi tagni Gen Z stock ni issues kabangma je tongmani bono tui no tini thaisa thaini norok bo salainani bagai angma phaikya haisi hambaimar o jotono je nai tongnani Facebook live specially ang nugui mangkha takhuk Poritus takhuk Asis takhuk Birbal hai Thanjavlin hambai hello Tolumoni norok jotono na haino hai ani Facebook live ni bisingti lamsogo norok saimono as per the report 2025 assembly o kokti sajakha tai assembly o kokti sajakma pore Tripura employment service and manpower planning minister ni hoite January ni 2025 o kaisa report rajakha a report ni mote 3,36,551 I repeat the number 3,36,551 registered unemployment sini Tripura rajyo o tongoi tongo as per the census report of 2011 37 lakhs approx population sini o haste o tongo haise as per prediction about almost the assume khaina kenga 2026 o 50 lakhs 50 lakh approximately tabuk Tripura rajyo population strong haisi unemployment ang thajing saka 2025 ni the report ni mote Tripura employment service and manpower planning minister ni hoite je jobab rajakmani aro saimangkha 3,36,551 3,36,551 obo Tripura rajyo was asak unemployment tabuk tongoi tongo thousands and thousands borok Shillong high jagao thani Meghalaya high state rogo restaurant rogo samung khai tongoyu graduating jagrok engineering completing jagrok BCom completing jagrok master degree completing jagrok gari driver ngi tongoyu a jagrogo restaurant rogo samung khayo hotel rogo samung khayo obo hai rok ngi tongoyu Chennai rogo samung khai tongoyo Mumbai rogo samung khai tongoyo Delhi rogo samung khai tongoyo Bangalore rogo samung khai tongoyo Pune rogo samung khai tongoyo tangai unemployment rate eba unemployment balai blaike songkao kabang mani bagai tini Tripura rajyoni je sini youths rock Tripura Rajyoni je generation sok kubuni haste o thangai borok ni livelihood jibono thangai tongna ni bagai eba nukhung rok no support khaina ni bagai kubuni haste rogo thangai borok samung rok phaima tongoyu tini aboni pore unemployment ang saka 3,36,551 as per the report of 2025 ni January wo kintu tabuk unemployment rate unemployment je registered injak rokto to sung job no riman ya Tripura government hoite borong so tamanukjak kha taibo se permanent residence of Tripura certificate je PRTC পর্যন্ত se mandatory inglia tabuk hungkai Tripura Rajyo government ni job khlainani hingkangke how shocking it is how painful it is. It is painful for every citizens of Tripura. It is painful for every Gen Z who are all suffering due to this unemployment rate. Tini borok no sung job rana nile dure thakse kintu permanent residence of Tripura certificate পর্যন্ত se mandatory inglia any person from any of the state can come in our state and apply for government job. But whereas it was not like this previously, as per the notifications of 2023 Wohkanke, it is compulsory that PRTC must submit for applying the government job. Tabu government abono tam kha bekharka 5 consecutive years, about 5 years ori Tripura Rajyo education by connecting kai o jaga porikhankai borok Tripura Rajyo borok government job ni bage apply khaimanu Maharashtra ni borok khaiman sinai Punjab ni borok khaiman sinai Bihar ni borok khaiman sinai even Bangladesh ni borok phanose phai borok kabangma phaino tongo borok suru se khaisine haisi engkai sini youth rok ni bobishot tamung nai sini generations ni borok ni bobishot tamung nai thinang tamung nai haino se Tripura Rajyo ni sai tebo facility kaham educations khaye quality educations manjak kubuni state ni borok IAS officers rok kabangma angjak IPS officers kabangma angjak abo hai state rok ni the well infrastructure angjak education policy ekdom best angjak aro rok ni যে borok jodi Tripura hai rajyo phaiye competitions no exam rekhangkai Tripura Rajyo ni je scoop Tripura Rajyo ni je youth rok borok onek tabuk ni o je government ni je niti tubma bai nuksan sinai problem sinai haisi over high the decision no I personally condemn over no strongly uncondemn khayu because 980 government or the policy namani government or the intentionally the decision namani what could be a reason behind tamungiman why government is so interested to make non-requirement of PRTC in the government job why government is so interested kumuni haseni borok sino rajyo permanent residence hara boro apply khainani tangi government of asik interesting jak nichoi government ni o the intention musungjak mani o the policy namani ukulgo kabangma rohishyo tongimano a rohishyo tamo tangi kubuni state ni borok sino o jaga wa haino se je jaga ang saka 3,36,551 unemployed registered jak bongni jibon tamung nai kabangma borok nukhungo borok support khaimani angi tongo because of this unemployment growth tini sinor big company krei MNC company krei kotor company krei haisi boro thani boro Bangalore hai jagao thangi tongi Chennai hai jagao Mumbai hai jagao Delhi hai jagao Shillong hai jagao borok bongni nok be haksal khai tini samung khaima tongiyu ngo oborok no tui जों strongly condemn खायो and I request humbly humbly आं request खायनायनि मुसुङाव it is not only matters of particularly बुइसाजावनो तिप्रामथानि MDCs कक सावबा तिप्रामथानि favor नानबै कक साव no not at all त्रिपुरा राज्यआव जे जों 3,37,551 registered unemployment borokno chakiri rimaniakai abo suduki tipramothani nuksan simidangno CPIM khaitonai je aroka unemployment khobje geda BJP khaitonai khobje geda Congress khaitonai khobje geda IPFT khaine khobje geda Trinamool Congress khaitonai khobje geda so obono tyi sengkok mati sane haisi most of the time what do we see in our state over high issues concerning to our citizens of state many of the political parties choose to keep silent just because bongni political the agenda ni bagai borok tini silent tongoi tong but over high judi continue ungi thaka ke Tripura rajyo wo haino se problem ungi tong ekdige Citizenship Amendment Act 2024 jora phai sokpa kya 31st December Bangladesh Pakistan Afghanistan ni borok no welcome khaye nizini India ni borok no khai nizini state ni borok no khai tini sung taibo influx ng borok tu mang microscopic minorities ng mang Tripura hai chikon sa rajyo wo se tini 50 lakh hai population singi thangka look at Mizoram 21,000 square kilometers double size of our state but what is the populations of their state only 1.1 millions see sini Arunachal Pradesh busak jorati kotor 8 times bigger than our states populations busak hardly 15 to 16 lakhs high population see 3 times sini less populations but the state is 8 times bigger than our state Nagaland 16,000 something 500 something square kilometers population 16 17 18 lakhs 3 time high sinisa almost come 2.5 high so what will be the futures of our young generations I think the young generation should come up and oppose such decisions taken by the government of Tripura Haisi. Though we may be a part of Tripura government, but we also condemn if any decision is taken not for the sake of our people, then always condemn Khayo Haisi. And I think not only Tipramotha political party, not only particular individual person, but it is time for every citizen of Tripura to come up and speak for the rights of our people, I say. Kinutam nukza, most of people choosing their comfort zone not to speak anything, not to raise their voice, just because they are seeing for the political agenda, political mileage. But over, certainly, sini buskang is halo issues to bnai hai say. Sunuka recently 552 government job post langne ni nai tong aron bisang anthasi saga 310 post sanga Tripura engineering je service no botlangne nai tong through TPSC borok ni tabuk tamung nai so over high issues rokno sung mati sane haisi and teba ang sanani musung nor nukhana last time of few days sekang tamunukha Agartolani je Nandanagar Don Bosco Buskango MC ni hoite faye haksal ni sini bororok sudus matro sini bororok simia kubuni dofarok botongo borok tini bongni daily jibono thangnani bagai family no support khainani bagai mokheteng thaiketeng kosto khai tini haksal ni phaye thuya karei bolongo muya phaye bolongo tha bolong nutugui bolongo kosto khaye sibuk sindrai rokbai nini risk na winyai tini asak haksal phai tini mukhitung thaiketing phalai tong borok no pojonto se sak nanya khaitam khlaijaka daga chopa khlaijagei mukhitung ro khitar jakha tanchik jakha je aro khlai tongmani sobai sukrup khlaijaka haisi aboni bagei political parties rok ang nukha BJP rokni hoitebo jonojati morcha ni bo nukha boro thangai finally kokti saka yes kokti sana nangnai haisi tangai jonojati simi tangai ti promotha simi tangai ko simiti sana ba jotto political party ni boro rok mati sana in fact society rok phai kok mati sana haisi justice judi no manani hingkangke particular individual person ti sama ba simi sing justice mani mania. It is all our duty to raise voice when our people are getting injustice. Haisi sengkok mati sanai. Tini political mileage mani ni bagi simi phaike angkai abung ya haisi. Tai thasingo ang blai blai ke sini habuba grano proudly I feel really proud of our His Highness Maharaj haisi. Just before ang live hainen isakang no sini His Highness Maharaj be angkok saka salai kya Maharaj clear kas how alliance will not be there until and unless we achieve for our Tiprasa's right ni bosau haisi tini Tiprasa Accord ni baga prosto sungjago where is your Tiprasa Accord nongni Tiprasa Accord biang thangka nongni land rights biang thangka norok ni direct funding biang thangka norok ni political rights biang thangka Tinibo, sini Maharaj fight khai tongu. Not for him, I say. Because for our people. For our people, but tinibo fight khai tongu, I say. Tamo obab tong bini. Sanan thakai sajau nai. Political ni kok sanan nai hune. Tamo obab tong sini Maharaj ni. Kotor nok tongu bini, Rajbari tongu. Rang tongu bini. Jaga jumi tongu bini. Jotto kisu tongu, but he is fighting for our people. Bo fight khaitong haisi tini bo government of Tripura about central leaders rock bono kotor offer haisi he could have become MP he could have become deputy chief minister he could have become anything any position bon naiman kom haisi but he had not taken the post because he always wants our people to get our rights haisi tamo prat khake bobo hai klaimani Tamo oprat khai kya tini senglangazino proshno khai questions khayu othoso siniti prasarok mukhteng phalnai rok daga chopa khlaijagai khitarjagai mukhteng sekjagai tongpurkai ekta kok sung saimani haisi sini bororok ni right sekjagai tongpurkai ekta kok sung saimani haisi sini bororok khaklabu guli kokjak tongpurkai ekta kok sung saimani haisi sini bororok students rok lathi charge khaijagai water cannon use khaijagai tear gas use khaijagai butok khaijak tongpurkai ekta kok sung saraya haisi but sini ha bubagra fight khaitong central government bai tini asak kisu offer jakmani porebo he always choose not to go alliance with any of the political party until and unless we achieve our demand haisi clearly saitong blay khulu gui saitong haisi tai tamunang over high leaders sak asak sacrifice khaisin bage fight khaitong nai sungke bono madamano tini sung jora haisi dukhu nangu tini sini ha bubagra sini jotoni bage fight khaitong ma bage nations rock tini nasiki sunoma tong haisi our people are leaders from Maharashtra our leaders from West Bengal our leaders from Rajasthan our leaders from Mumbai our leaders from many other state ni tini sini His Highness Maharaj ni je sacrifice no Maharaj ni je chobano tini appreciate khai tong haisi kok ekdom clear haisi judino sini dofani bage rights ma khai sung kunu dinopano government by interest sung kunu krei sung part of government na tongnani haisi tini Kabang ma borok ang nugu kaisa kushu Facebook tui AI ni bising tui Chat GPT ni bising tui ketal poster sanamai Maharashtra blame khaimani sungnugu Maharashtra criticize khaimani sungnugu but je criticize khainai ro je blame khainai ro Bangladesh ya asik lok phai tongo a time over kok de tisaka open boundary khaye riri jago camper bazar tiro a time over kok de tisaka je jorao khaklabo pojonto nai kok jago siniti prasaro citizenship amendment bill no ka sunani bagai tak citizenship amendment act engka khoroksa as a national party khaitone leaders ro kok de tisaka je jago agortola hairogo din broad daylight rogo sini bukuk juk songrom fre sompre khaijago bo national political party ni boro kokti saka je jago nini sini edisini hano sekjagi tlangjang ni nai tongo nogo panchayat ro khlaijak na nai tongo bo national party ni boro kokti saka je jago sini tiprasa je baniya khai tongne rokno satok pitok khaijago Bon National Party kokti saka haisi tini sakangke chaya yes we all are answerable to these questions haisi sang answer marana haisi kebo power permanent post ya 2026 ni April lo sang elected inka member of district council it is not permanent 5 years ti pore sangbo sini opposed kamawi mano Norzagi mano judi borok ni bagi sengkok sayangke dofa ni bagi kok sayangke ar sini bororok kebang ma jaga thangga para bising rogo thangi dukhu nang haisi lama kaham kerei tui suru se man nyao thoso sung 80 Independence Day sung celebrate khai tongo or 2026 ni mia hai salo 15 August asi the 80 independence sing step khaimani awsung celebrate khai tongo othosonor nukhana baksa jaga tui kahama ningya school kahama poria lama kahama himya kabang ma jantaro kok sau tini sini MDC sokno sahor sar lama sanamai redi sar tini ব্যবস্থা khai redi sar suno school kahamri redi bkha yogo haise bkha dhunugo কষ্ট নাঙ্গো হাইছে দুঃখ নাঙ্গো এডিসিনি থানি আপ ফান কসি করে হাইছে 4-5 crore PWD ফাইও 1 হইতে 2 crore এডুকেশন ফাইও আবো বাইসং স্কুল 10টা 15টা 20টা পর্যন্ত রিপেয়ারিং খাইনানি সিনি ফান করে এই যে রাং আছে লিমিটেড ফান বাই অথচ 1633 স্কুল সং তাবুক টিটি এডিসিন বিসিংও তঙ্গই তঙ্গো Black top route sanamnani bagi পর্যন্ত sung 5 kilometers পর্যন্ত se edisini PWD ni fund by sung sanami mania asak ke sini limited fund haisi busuk jorate yin kongi to lukurok saw haisi sanami redi কিন্তু abo পর্যন্ত se sung sanami ri mania aboni bagi no tini additional strengthen khainani bagai 125th amendment ni bising tei sini constitutional solutions na sung sanai tongo ar constitutional solution sanmani yak ulobo we are not compromising with our core demand greater Tipraland haisi greater Tipraland শুধু মাত্র 2021 চেংখা 2600 পাইখা aboyablei until and unless we achieve this core demand of greater Tipraland, we are not going to compromise. Fight kaitong haisi. Land rights ni bagi kok saitong haisi. Roman script ni bagi kok saitong haisi. Direct funding ni bagi kok saitong. Political rights ni bagi kok saitong. Political rights mane judiciary representative 20টা ST seat ni bisingo 24-25 tang thangke abuki Tipra thani simida achievement abuki CPM BJP khanye Congress khanye IPFT khanye Tipra sarok ni kai achievement ng lagda land rights judi mani phakyan kai BJP Congress CPM borok ni kai of achievement ing lagda suru matro ti pramothani simidang nai but ekta national party ni leaders tangi on land rights no ti kok saya haisi tangi kok saya BJP hai political party world the biggest party in this sajago and yes abo fact kubui kintu a biggest national political party no representative engi tongnai sini takuk ti prasarok leaders rock montri post khai or post hold khai tongnai sini takuk rock why don't you speak for land rights why don't you speak for BC election ni bagai tangi kok saya haisi 587 village tini pojonto election conduct khaijagya our Maharaj, His Highness Maharaj, tini Supreme Court pojonto thangai bini own pocket ni rang khibui tini tiprasan ni rights ni bagi khaitong 15 lakh tiprasan ni rights no tumna bagai sini His Highness Maharaj bini pocket ni rang khibitong national party ni borok appreciate da khayo kok no CPM ni borok appreciate da khai BJP ni borok appreciate da khai Congress ni borok appreciate da khai borongso sungo bikonong ni rights are je borok rights hanai bonoda nung proshno khainai je borok runai riyangi tongnai bonoda nung proshno khainai ha je sanai nyoda sung proshno khainai nakai je borok ruwi man tongui riyang tongnai bonoda proshno khainai oborok tini sanani dorkar salainani dorkar haisi BJP khaitu CPM khaitu Congress khaitu kubuni dofaro kintu amtiya angagi bo saw haisi 2012 bo jepro 150th anniversary Rabindranath Tagore Singer Bill Airport no bini bumungui khlaisina hine jepro leader of opposition leader the opposition leader cox hawo Congress ni CPM ni joto leaders rok abono somorthon khaye yes Rabindranath Tagore ni bumungui no airport mangnai ni kokti salai we respect Rabindranath Tagore Bishwa Kavi we respect we have a huge respect in our heart but this land oh ha o sini asai haiman ha o sini om thai thi kalaimani ha 5000 বছর sakangni sini 184 king tabu baike 186 sini maharaj baike chalok jagi phayo I hani bumung sini raja rokni bung bai krungja ekmatro khoroksa borok simi kiriyakarei sini tabukni tipra mothani president sir Bijoy Kumar Rankal sini pu bike Rankol sir tini a taimo basawi kok sawo obo operat engnai judino Singer Bill Airport ni bumung no Rabindranath Tagore Kavi Rabindranath Tagore ni bumung khaitangke o ha Maharaj ni bumung ma khaine nei tini 60ta Bidhan Sabha Kendro ni 60 jon MLA ni bising 20 jon ST MLA ni bisingo ekmatro khoroksa MLA sir Bijoy Rankol kokti sawo tini sawo Maharaj Bir Bikram Airport sung thangai Maharaj Bir Bikram ni asaima sal rong kai sung thangi khumalariu but when it was needed no one has raised their voice except sini sir Bike Rankol sir haisi therefore NIT ni issue sungui tongo 7% agi reservations a time of sab koktisa ei sini sir Bike Rankol songno ei sini ancholic minded borok rok regional mindset borok rok no tisau national party ro o kokno tisaya haisi ne tini kebangma jaga issue sungui tongo are political post is not permanent tamo permanent kai sini jati sini dofa sini sinimung obse permanent judi o dofa o sinimung o nini yakung tolani ha se kri khenke bo jagao basawi nung politics ni kok sanai bo jagao basawi nung dofa ni vote san paine haisi जों अबनो तुई वन सुकनानि बात आं खायसी महाराज नो जों प्रश्न जों ताई ताम खायसिने महाराज ताई ताम खायसिने हायसी ताई बदा फान राग रिमान लाइनो नै वन नॉर्थ ईस्ट खाई लीडरशिप नाउ पर्यंत जब तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट नि लीडर सकनो पर्यंत थानसा खाई एक खाई खरां पिसार खायसी আর আ নর্থ ইস্ট নি লিডার সকল থানসা খাইয়ে এই ত্রিপুরা রাজ্য ন পুইলা ফার্স্ট টাইম আস্টেবল গ্রাউন্ড 1 লাখ প্লাস এভাব বড় রকম তুই হ্যাঁ খরাং টিচার ওই মেসেজ রকা আমরা চাইয়া খাইকা দিল্লিও থাঙ্গৈ সেন্ট্রাল নি লিডার্স রক বাই সিনি রাইটস মানিয়াকে जों अलायन्स सिंया नै बखावो ग्राक खाई कक्टी सबै तिनी साइक्या खरक बुसु खामबाय रेखा बरंस बिकनि सुंगु जुदि बाफोर कम्प्रोमाइज खायै फाइपे खेंके जादा जाजा खुमु कम्प्रोमाइज खाई जुदि बया करे फेके जादा जाजा खुमु तिनी कुबुनि दफार कुबुनि लिडरशिप र जुदि वन सुगुंगा वन जाउंगा एकमात्र सिनी हिज हाइनेस महाराज तमा बागै सिमिसे सिनी तिप्रासानि बरम तिनी आसक जरति कुजुगो काइतों हाइसी आसक जरति कुजुगो काइतों हाइसी बाक्सा साउ कुबुनि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी खाइने र तिप्रामो था टीटी एडिसिओ हापांगो फाइमानि 2021 नि सिमि तिनी 2026 संका अलमोस्ट होय बसर कम्प्लीटिंग नि नायके तामो खाइक्या नि प्रश्न सुमु हाइसी আরে আং থাজিং সাকাবলে বাবা ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যও 10,492 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার সিমিং 7,132.56 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার এডিশিও আ 7,132.56 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার স্ট মাত্র বুসুক বাজেট হাই 2 হইতে 3% বাজেট স্টেট নি সপায়ু সম্ভব দা আ বাজেট বে সামুং তাংনানি नहीं नहीं सिरी आं साकबले ब्लैक टॉप रूट सनामनानि बागै पर्यंत से 5 हइते 10 किलोमीटर सिम सनामायो ए एडिसी नि रां पीडब्ल्यूडी नि डिपार्टमेंट बाय स्कूल कैसे कोतर 100 जन कैपेसिटी गनन स्कूल पर्यंत से सनामी माया ए एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट नि एडिसी नि रां बाय हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट नि रां बाय हॉस्पिटल कैसे पर्यंत तांगनानि सिनि रां करै आनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी रामचंद्रगढ़ थांगांगां दुखुनां हारेब कुवार आईएस नि अंदर थांगांके गोबां स्कूल रिपेयरिंग नाङै दङ स्टूडेंट्स रक साकाओ किसिक मिसिक बुफुरजानि वाल क्लाई तामुंग न अथस जों रिपेयर खायनायनि पर्यंत रांकरै डीएम बाय थाङै मालायो मिनिस्टार बाय थाङै मालायो भिडिअ नि थानि सोंरुओ लास्ट दिगी तामो नो फान आगी मानरेगा नि बिसिंति सामु खाइसेगो ता बीबीजी रामजी इंखा बीबीजी रामजी नि स्टिल फान ताबो फाडियाको बाइके खलाङै जों but yes you all have chosen our people nor mandate ruoi huge mandate ruoi to promote a political party no power to kha edisiwo yes we are committed to raise all our voice for the sake of our people I see maybe abo street on angka sing street o khorang ti sanai soroga asugui kok sana nang kok sanai assembly o kok sana nang kok ti sanai council o kok ti sana nang sing kok ti sanai media o kok ti sana nang kok ti sanai social media ni platform o kok ti sana nang kok ti sanai yes we are committed to raise our voice I see norok nungna je kuno issue sung kangkai je kuno problem kangkai tui kri lama kri bukuk juk song rompre sompre khaijakai pori tongnai rok injustice ng tongkhangkai sini gen zero problem ng tongkhangkai it is our maharashni je sengkrang rok always no buskang phai sing hesitating akare kiriya kare sing no khorang ti sapayo haisi sing no phai ti sapayo haisi nor nukhana agor tolo broad daylight rogram pre jaka sing thangai kokti sao nor nukhana damsara digi sini harok sekjak tongai sing thangai kokti sao नरक नुखना बांग्लादेश सी रोक बाई हा सेक्जगै तंगासिन इंडिया नि 0.3 फायै आरो संनो कोक्ति साव हाइसि Norok nukana Citizenship Amendment Bill, Citizenship Amendment Act nka sung no kok tisa waisi. Norok nukana je pro Bangladesh ni je High Commissions ni office rogo, embassy rogo nko aro je minorities rogo to tar khaise kanga sung no kok tisa waisi. Norok nukana sini Bania khai tongnai rok dukan rogo judi satok pitok khaise tonghanga sung no kok tisa waisi. But sung Maharashtra sengkrak simi kok tisa ya woi judi jotto borok thansa ke phakyang kangke. Taibo se sungno injustice khaina sakang mawan sukumo. Khaira gala kumo. Nai di. Kintu tamo jotto no sudo matro blame game khaye. Kaisa ta kaisa sil chalaye. Sung tongna ni simi se sung choose khayo haisi. Tini central leaders by tini Maharaj discuss khaitong. Rights reassess sung kono discuss khaya. CPM ni koto leaders rogobono ti appreciate khaimang komo. Maharaj by phai malai mang komo. Taibo strategy sanamang komo. BJP ni jonojati ni leaders rok phai strategy sanamang komo. Thansa khai kok salimang komo. Are sung political party khayuni line rigir like sung dari. All line ni bayre o nung motha, o line ni phataro nung BJP, o tegisa line ni phataro nung CPM, kaisa te kaisa sung malai shimalai liya haisi. Line rizak. O line no sukrugui, o line no huui, dop hani bagai, jati ni bagai, thansangi kokti shakangke, na motha nango, na CPM nango, na BJP nango, na Congress nango, kono political party na nyawinyo, sini dop hani bagai, sini hani bagai, sini jati ni bagai, kok tisai sini manthai shoktaino tumi manu haisi. Kintu na Melarmat ano permission riya, BJP headquarters ano permission riya, Congress headquarters ano permission riya. Ani dop haklabo la thirizaki tongu. Ani mokol ni buskango ani asaimani om thai thik kalaimani ha shekzaki tongu. Ani mokol buskango ani bukuk juk song rompre sompre khajak tong. Ani mokol buskango ani seringnai jagro injustice khajak tong. Aboni bagi kok sanani buda ang headquarter ni permission nang sinai. Aboni bagi sanani bagi pojonto dang party ni permission nang sinai. Aboni bagi sanani bagi pojonto dang leadership ni permission nang sinai. Judi permission sin nang kangke abo hai party no khaya tong khoina saw haisi. Abo hai organization no tong ya wino chaw haisi. Judi nizini right ni bagai, nizini dopani bagai, nizini hani bagai, nizini jatin bagai, nizini sinimung ni bagai, kok suru si saimal yang kai abo hai organization sing khaya tong khaina chawo. Dine sini populations komitong. Young generation sok tini faitong haisi. Awon bagai sung mawan sok te haisi. Hoito ang samani tini baksa borok chaja gala. Baksa borok gali gulas runai. Unknown identify face by account rok by Facebook phai gali gulas runai. Kintu jesek pano naslidi jesmano jolidi sung Maharashtra sengkrak rok habubagra ni sengkrak rok sini jati ni bagi dofani bagi kok sana ni bagi sung chus khaijaka sung les hanai haisi sung sanai sung kiriakari sanai sung fight khaine sung choba khainai and nang khangke sung all waste of fight ki choba khaine haisi khaino tongo tabu khaithane haisi sini o thansani marino subaina ni bagi busak joratei propaganda choli uitong busak joratei conspiracy choli tong busak joratei strategy choli uitong sini o thansani marino subaina ni bagi but ha bubagra ni tuijulma bai tini bo krak khaitong haisi BJP eba central leadership bai ba whoever in power borok bai judi sengkok sanani thangkangke sini His Highness Maharashtra sung bakhatangino poito khai saimano haisi yes leader nung ang compromise jorawo ungimano but His Highness Maharashtra will never compromise for his people haisi and singab nugui betong haisi sabo asuk ball leaders asuk sahos case harakne tong media phaize no will not compromise if our people are not achieving our rights nis hawi tong haisi central government by kok samani porebo obo haike juri sai tong manungkai all leaders ni logi sung tongnai joto tiprasa tongnai and sung salsa jes kapon manne haisi tini hoyto sini rights rokro ignore khlaijagi tong haisi sini rights rokno sungno sekjagi tong haisi but these rights will come one day haisi and all rights ni bagai sung joto no humble request khayo haisi joto bororok joto party ni leaders rok party no wise side toni wei jati ni bagai fight khebe di haisi blai blai ke hambai haino hai norok joto no haino hayani hamjak mantai chibaya fore hor kaham tipra sayuk lok thung sini dabi dakti no manthu sini tipra saro taibo buskani salo thansani mario phaibetu sini tipra saro taibo buskani salo CPM Congress BJP motha IPF ti hinya woi thansang baitu haisi hambai